You've probably seen those jaw-dropping giant pumpkins. At fall festivals or online, these behemoths can weigh several hundred pounds, believe it or not. There are competitions dedicated solely to growing the largest pumpkin. These contests attract farmers and gardeners from all over the world, and the current world record stands at an incredible 624 pounds 1,190 kilograms. That's a whole lot of pumpkin pie. Did you know that? There are more than 50 different varieties of pumpkins. From the classic orange pumpkins we see during Halloween to white, green, and even striped ones. The diversity of pumpkins is astonishing. Each variety has its own unique characteristics, making them perfect for various culinary delights and decorative purposes. No discussion about pumpkins would be complete without mentioning the iconic jack-o'-lanterns. Carving pumpkins for Halloween has become a cherished tradition in many countries. Legend has it that jack-o'-lanterns originated from an Irish myth about a man named Stingy Jack. People believed that carving scary faces into pumpkins would ward off evil spirits. Today, it's all about creativity and carving the spookiest or most intricate designs.